What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. And before I start this, I want to say, if you watch this whole video, you will get rewarded. And no, I'm not going to put it at the end so you can just skip and get it. So Lightroom presets are very powerful. I mean, we probably all edited a photo, edited it. So Lightroom presets are pretty powerful. I mean, we probably all edited a photo, saved it as a preset, and then applied it to a lot of our images. But have you ever purchased a preset? If so, you probably saw great photos. You got to play with the sliders, go back and forth, only to spend your hard-earned money, apply it to some of your photos, and it looks nothing like that. Trust me, they got me a few times as well. So what am I saying? Am I saying never buy Lightroom presets again? Only if it was that easy. See, Instagram has these filters that give us these creative ideas on how we should edit our photos. And then these preset companies turn around and try to sell us their Instagram presets that look nothing like I ever seen on Instagram. But this is where I step in. And no, I'm not going to try to pitch you on some Instagram presets. But what I am going to do is show you how I use my presets on RAW files so you can see the straight out of camera look with the preset applied. And that way, I'm not trying to show you a Photoshop image and then make you think that this is what you're going to get if you were to purchase these Lightroom presets. I have officially launched my first Lightroom preset package called Ryan Troy's Masterpieces. And if you are one of the first 20 people to comment below, I will be sending this to you for free. That's right, free. And you see, I didn't put this at the end of the video. So if you skip like all the way back there thinking you was gonna find something, sorry. But if you keep watching, I actually have some more things that I'm gonna give away. So let's head over to Lightroom and I'll show you how I work with my presets. So now that we're in Lightroom, I want to go over one of my best presets. And a lot of you bought these because I was selling them one by one, and you let me know that they do really good for your outdoor stuff, your senior portraits, and it does. So I'm going to show you that one, and I'm also going to show you a couple of other ones. Now, the one that I'm referring to is Page Smile. Page Smile itself is, to me, is worth what this whole package is worth. This is a lifesaver. I'm going to show you that no matter which outdoor portrait you use this on, it will work. The only thing that I want you to keep in mind when it comes to my presets is if you have a Nikon, I'm pretty sure you'll be fine. But if you have other cameras, you may want to change the camera profile to adjust it to the way the preset goes. And if you watch the video that I have linked right here, it'll show you exactly how you would do this. Okay, so on to this photo right here. This is straight out of camera, as you can see right here, nothing at all. This is zeroed down the board. I'm gonna apply my Page Smile preset. And as you can see, I'm gonna show you before and after. And as you can see, what it does to the sky is just amazing. What it does to her skin tones is amazing. Once again, before, after, okay? Let's go to this photo that I took right here. Once again, as you can see, the only thing that I did do was I cropped it just because I didn't like the crop, but zeroed down the board, straight out of camera. Let's apply this Page Smile preset and boom, the sky pops, she pops. It's a beautiful image, correct? That's Page Smile for you. Let's go to another one. I took this photo of Victoria. Now, as you can see, the sky isn't really present right there. The trees aren't really present. What will this preset do to this photo right here? Okay, let's go apply Page Smile. Now we can see a little blue in the sky. We can see a little green in the trees. Her skin tone looks great. It's just phenomenal, right? Now, let me show you a couple of other ones. Since I do a lot of studio work as well, a lot of the presets that I use in the studio will be things like Tropical Maternity, which is this one right here. So this would be before and that'll be after. And you can just go down the line. Some will work, some won't. And as you can see, these are literally my presets on a straight out of the camera image. If you like any of these, just know that you will be getting these in this package right here. And the way that I name my presets are based on a lot of the people that I shoot a lot of the places that I am, and a lot of the experience that I have. Once again, my favorite one though would definitely be Page Smile for all of the outdoor stuff that you will be doing. On to the next thing that I'll be giving away. If you are not one of the first 20 people that are down there below, I'm sorry that you made it late. Put your notifications on and you might not make it late next time. Or maybe you're just new here. If you are, hi, my name's Ryan Troy. I have this generic camera with this lens that is a 32 gigabyte flash drive. Now, if you like, comment, and subscribe, I will be choosing 5 people down below in the comment section to ship this out to free of charge as well. And I'll be choosing this in 7 days. I'll post it on my Instagram. If you do not follow my Instagram, make sure that you head on over, press that follow button, and I'll see you there. Now, I hope you like this video. If so, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. The link will be below to the preset package.